Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Inku crate unboxing video for you. It is the December unboxing video. I know that we're already in January and it's a little bit delayed, but I did have videos already planned out for December and these came a little bit later, so that's why there's a slight delay in the unboxing. This is Christmas themed, which is fine with me. I can always use it for Christmas this year, 2023. So starting off with these really cute ornamental stickers, which are actually flat, so perfect, I can use these. And then, oh, this is cute. It's a little postcard, a little gingerbread man within Shiba. It is such a cute design. Ooh, band-aids. Alright, these are the designs of the band-aids. Very cutesy, very My Melody, but I mean, they're still band-aids, right? So they're still functional. Unfortunately, I have not had to use band-aids for a while, touch wood, but if I do, I'm totally using these. They're so cute. We have a pen here with a lid that kind of comes off. I'll have a look at this at the end of the video. Oh, we have like a little standing calendar. That's really cute. And this would be perfect for it's perfect for my desk. Let's take a look at this. Okay, it's pretty thin, so I think it's like double-sided. We stand it like this. This is January, and then February. And then eventually, when it's time, you just flip it. You just flip it the other way and you have December on the opposite side. It's very cool. What is this? This is like an eraser? Yep. Amamori eraser. Oh, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see the outline of the packet. But these are like little amulets, good luck amulets that you'd usually buy from the temples at the start of every new year. And it's kind of like a version of it. So this is supposed to be a tissue case. I don't quite know how that works. Let me have a look. Okay. I don't know if I'll be able to show it to you because I don't have a tissue box to use, but this is kind of how I think they intend to use it. I don't know if you can fit an actual tissue box and whether the boxes here are going to be the right size, but I am keen to give it a shot and just see, because that would be a really cute tissue box. And then the last one is a notebook and a notebook cover. I've not heard of this particular brand before, Shachihata, but it kind of looks cool. Not totally sure I will need something like this, but it's a good back to school sort of notebook. Cool. Alright, that is everything in December's Inku unboxing. Let's go check out that pen. Okay, so this is a simple, pretty simple dual tip pen. Doesn't seem to have any particular brand name that I'm aware of, but it's made in Korea, so it seems to be a Korean brand. So with this part here, oh, okay, it looks so turquoise here, but in real life it's much more like there's more yellow in it. It's more like a true green. And then we have a more thin point here. I actually really like this, you know. I'm not quite sure if there's like a set of colors or anything, but I like the quality. It's good. The green, I'm not quite sure if I would use that very often, but it's really nice. Yeah, so that is, get one of two colors. Oh, so there's two colors. Cool. Alright, so that is everything in December's Inku unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.